swear it's the last time we stay up, fall in love. Yeah, we can pretend we ain't gon' be more than friends and call it off like we said the last time. But we gon' do this again. It's been 2 weeks since we said it's over. Still kinda weird how you still come over. This bed's far from cold, I'm far from sober. Hell, we ain't even close to closure. And I can't let go of the way that it felt. How many times can I tell myself this is the last time I get drunk, call you up, swear it's the last time we stay up, fall in love. Yeah, we can pretend we ain't gon' be more than friends and call it off like we said the last time. But we gon' do this again. No, we gon' do this again. No, we gon' do this again. I draw that line, then step right over. Say not tonight, then you're on my shoulder. I should've let you stay, but I just couldn't stay away. I'm stuck in all of these mistakes that I'm making, and I can't let go of the way that it felt. How many times can I tell myself this is the last time I get drunk, call you up, swear it's the last time we stay up, fall in love. Yeah, we can pretend we ain't gon' be more than friends and call it off like we said the last time. But we gon' do this again. Say we won't, but we both know we gon' do this again. Say we won't, but we both know we gon' do this again. I can't let go of the way that it felt. How many times can I tell myself this is the last time I get drunk, call you up, swear it's the last time we stay up, fall in love. Yeah, we can pretend we ain't gon' be more than friends and call it off like we said the last time. But we gon' do this again. Say we won't, but we both know we gon' do this again. Say we won't, but we both know we gon' do this again. Say we won't, yeah, we both know we gon' do this again. Say we won't, but we both know we gon' do this again.
Let's learn Last Time. It's choreographed by Kevin and Melena Richards. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with restarts on walls 3, 5, and 7, all after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where those restarts happen, and then we're going to go around and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Last Time. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right heel grind quarter turn. You're going to take your right heel, place it forward. You're going to put your weight onto your right heel, and as you do that, you're going to swivel your toes from left to right, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder to face 3 o'clock, and then stepping back onto your left foot. We're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping our right foot back, left together, right forward. We're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto your right, and you're going to do a half shuffle over your left shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn, stepping our left foot to the left side, step your right foot next to your left, and make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do right and left wizard steps. We're going to step our right foot forward and into the right diagonal. Step your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward into the diagonal. You're now going to step your left foot forward and slightly into the diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then quickly step your left foot into the diagonal. We're going to stomp our right foot forward, and we're going to clap our hands. We're now going to stomp our left foot forward, and then we're going to clap our hands twice, stomp, and then clap, clap. Let's try that with some counts, starting with your wizards. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to press forward with our right foot. So you're going to take the ball of your right toe, touch it forward, and you're going to lean your body into that, slightly bending your knee, and then recover back onto your left foot and step your right foot next to your left. We're now going to press the ball of our left foot forward, bending that knee, slightly leaning forward. Recover back onto your right foot and step your left foot next to your right. We're now going to cross our right over our left. We're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot. And then we're going to do a right coaster step, right back, left together, right forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot. You're doing your presses forward. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do 2 cross points. We're going to step our left foot forward and slightly across our right. Point your right toe to the right side. Step your right foot forward and slightly across your left. Point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to cross rock our left over our right. Recover onto your right foot, and we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, doing a big step forward with our left and dragging our right toe into our left to face 9 o'clock, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot. You're doing your 2 cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would start all over with your heel grind. So let's try it all the way through. 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. Weights on your left foot. You're starting with your right quarter heel grind. Heel grind, quarter, right coaster, step, left, rock, recover, left, half shuffle, right wizard, left wizard, stomp, clap, stomp, double clap, press, recover, step, press, recover, step, cross quarter back in your coaster step, cross point, cross rock, recover, quarter drag. Let's try it with some counts. Heel grind, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance, and you would go into your heel grind quarter turn to start the next wall. So now let's talk about the restarts. Our first one is going to be facing 6 o'clock. You will dance 16 counts, which will put you onto our next wall where we would be heading anyways. You'll then dance that wall all the way through, and when we come back to the front, wall 5, you will dance 16 counts, putting you at 9 o'clock. Restart the dance at that point. You will dance that whole wall through, and when we return to the back wall, you will dance 16 counts again, and then restart to the side. So your restarts are always going to happen on either the front or back walls and put you onto the side walls. So we're going to practice the first one that happens on the back. Once you get that first one down, all the other ones will flow, and you'll understand where they all happen with the music. So weight is on your left foot. We're doing that heel grind quarter turn. So right heel grind quarter, right coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, stomp, clap, stomp, double clap. Right here, you would start the dance all over again with your heel grind quarter turn. Same thing on the front. You'll dance up to that 16, face the side wall, restart the dance, and then when we come to the back wall for the second time, you will do the same thing. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 8 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance through every restart in this dance. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our heel grind quarter turn. Heel grind quarter, right coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, right wizard, left wizard, and stomp, clap, stomp, double clap, press, recover, step, press, recover, step, cross quarter back with your coaster, step, cross point, cross rock, recover, quarter drag, heel grind 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 counts. Heel grind quarter, coaster step, rock half shuffle. Now your wizard, right wizard, left wizard, stomp, clap, stomp, double clap, heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 counts. Heel grind, coaster step, rock, half shuffle. Now your wizards. Stomp and clap, stomp and double clap, restart heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 counts. Heel grind quarter with your coaster step. Rock, half shuffle, wizard with the right and the left, stomp and clap, stomp and double clap, restart. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now the dance does end facing the side wall. They didn't include a ending. So what I did at the end was just make that turn. So after I would do my drag, I just step to the side to face the front if you're somebody that likes to end facing the front. But I hope this helped you learn my friend Kevin and Melena's dance last time. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.